How to track your Cash App card. So if it says delivered but you haven't received it yet, then here's what you do. So you want to press on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then you want to scroll down until you see the option for support. So just click on it. And then right here, you have to scroll all the way down until you see the option for chat. So click on it again, and you can explain your issue in this box right here. So you gotta say that your Cash App card says that it's delivered, but you haven't received it yet. Your account number is so on and so forth, or you can just give them your cash tag. And you just want to know when your cash card will be received or will arrive. So that's it really. You gotta contact support, tell them that you just want to get some more info on your cash card, and they will get back to you as soon as possible. So hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.